getting rained on hard. That's why it's hard to navigate days for clients. It's mostly installed already. We have a catch basin there. We have one here. Just to show you the speed. I mean, it's moving. Only problem is, it's raining super hard to finish. Didn't get to finish putting this one in. So all this is going to be flooded. It's going to cause me more problems tomorrow. And as you can see, the exit completely buried underground. That's it for today.